Today, I'll walk you through how to use the query formula in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to filter and analyze your data effectively so you can make informed decisions with ease. First, let's start by opening Google. Simply type Google into your browser and hit enter. This is your gateway to accessing all Google services, including Sheets. Next, click on the Apps icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid and will allow you to access various Google applications. Now select Sheets from the drop-down menu. This will take you to Google Sheets where you can create or access your spreadsheets. If you have an existing file you want to work with, go ahead and open it. You can find your files listed here, or you can create a new one if needed. To start using the query formula, simply type equals query in a cell. This is the beginning of your command, and it tells Google Sheets that you want to perform a query operation. Next, let's specify the data range. Type A1, J101 after the query function. This tells Google Sheets to use the information from cells A1 to J101, covering all columns from A to J and all rows from 1 to 101. In this range, you have various data points. Column A contains order IDs, column C shows salespersons, column E lists products, column I shows total sales, and column J indicates the status of each order. Understanding your data layout is crucial for effective querying. Now let's get to the heart of the query. Type select A, C, E, I where J equals completed. This instruction tells Google Sheets to show only the columns for order ID, salesperson, product, and total sales, while filtering to display only those rows where the status is marked as completed. Remember, the word completed must be enclosed in single quotation marks because it is text. This ensures that Google Sheets interprets it correctly. Next, we need to highlight the data. Type 1 to indicate that the first row of your selected data contains headers. This tells Google Sheets to recognize that row 1 includes the titles for each column, such as order ID, date, salesperson, region, and product. Finally, click on the highlight option to apply your query. This will execute your command and display the filtered results based on your specifications. And there you have it. You've successfully used the query formula in Google Sheets to filter and analyze your data. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.